Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I like to do my eyebrows. So first I start by brushing my brows out. I brush them up and over. Then I go in with my pencil and outline my brows, the bottom then the top. I try to follow the natural shape of my brows to prevent from overdoing it, making it too thick or too thin. Then I use my gel to fill them in. When I get to the front of my brow, I like to flick the brush upwards to help give it a natural hair-like appearance. Then I apply concealer to clean them up. I typically like to use a lighter concealer on the bottom and one that matches my skin tone at the top, or I'll just use my foundation. Then of course you want to blend. Once that's done, I use my spoolie to brush them out again to help it fade because I don't like the boxy look. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy. All products will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.